Hi guys, now we are going to learn about how to create an assignment in the Google Classroom. By opening the Google Classroom, there will be a tab which is called Classwork. By clicking the Classwork, we can see the option Create. Inside the Create option, assignment, quiz assignment, question, material reuse post will be there. Okay. Then by clicking the assignment option, the page will be opened. In the page, the first one is title. Title means we can give the topic for our assignment. Okay, I'm giving like test one. Then below the title there will be the option called instructions. We can give the instructions to the students who are writing our assignment. Okay, like all the best or best of luck, anything else. The instructions is the optional. Okay, we can use it or we can refuse. Then below the instructions, there add option and create option will be there. Inside the add, we can see the four options like Google Drive, link, file and YouTube. We can choose any file from these four to insert in this assignment. Okay. Then inside the create option, there will be the documents, slides, sheets and drawings, forms, which is in the Google Forms. Okay. Now I'm choosing the add option. Inside the add, I'm choosing the file browser. By clicking the file browser, our Google Drive will be opened. Inside the Google Drive, our saved PDF will be opened. By clicking our PDF, it will be selected and it will be inserted in our assignment. Okay, now our assignment is being inserted in this page. In the right, we can see the three options. Students can view the file, students can edit the file and make a copy for each student. In like the first option is students can view the file. Students can view the file means the students who are in our Google Classroom can view the file which have been posted as an assignment. The second one is students can edit the file. Students can edit the file means the assigned PDF will be edited by the students if there are any mistakes. Okay, make a copy for each student means the copy of a PDF will be sent to the all students. Okay, I'm select these students can view the file option. Okay, in the right side there will be the all student options. All student, by clicking the all students, the PDF which you have been created will be sent to the all students in the Google Classroom. We can also choose any particular name. Okay, then below that there will be a points. We can assign a particular point to our created assignment. Then below it there will be a due date and a due time. Due date and due time is to mention to know that will be a deadline for our assignment have been posted in our Google Classroom. And below it there will be a topic of our assignment. I'm giving like it in English. Okay, we have done all this work. After assigning that, we can see our created works. By clicking our test 1 assignment, we can see our inserted file. Okay, in the handwritten, the students who have in our Google Classroom, the students who have been finished and submitted our assignments will be numbered here, and the assigned we can see number of students who have get our posted assignments. Okay, after finishing it, our assignment has been created. Okay, thank you.